Hey, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a TPMS sensor on your car. So this is how you can read live information from your TPMS sensors on your aftermarket or any Android screen and always be informed of which of your tires are not doing well. So you can take preventive action before something goes wrong. So this external sensor can read it out and give you the input on your aftermarket Android device. So this external sensor is exclusively for Android aftermarket units, and the external sensors will go on top of them, which will give signals to this receiver here, and this will connect via USB port to the aftermarket Android unit you already have in your car. I'll be putting the links in the description for all the products I review on my channel, so if you guys are interested, do check them out. Alright, so let's begin the installation. This is in addition to the aftermarket CarPlay screen I have on my 17-year-old Lexus, and I have a full tutorial on the CarPlay installation, so after this video make sure to check it out too. So this Lexus is also equipped with internal TPMS sensors, which means I do get periodic notifications on my car whenever there is a low pressure. So after installing these external individual sensors, I will be able to monitor each tire's live information, which is something really nice to have. So inside the packaging, I will get 4 individual external sensors, the TPMS receiver, an installation APK file in a USB, a 3M red tape, and anti-theft lock nuts, along with its user manual. So before I install any of these products, I have to first go ahead and install the APK file, which will be downloaded from the flash drive they've given us. Okay, so I've set up my USB reading on the side of my Android screen. So I'm just going to put it in and read it out from my Android screen. Access my file manager, open the USB drive, open the file name which says USB TPMS, and we will just follow the procedure to install this. It says it's installed now, so we can proceed on clicking on done. Locate the file, which is right here. Currently, I have not installed the sensors, so this is just the app interface. So now the next step would be to take the TPMS receiver and plug it in with the USB port. I'm going to stick the 3M tape here alongside my interior and try to hide it and blend it with the interior as much as possible later on, but I'm just going to connect this to see what happens. So now it's asking me if you want to allow TPMS to access the USB serial. I'm going to click on allow it and proceed. So now the TPMS receiver is installed. Let's go ahead and install these and we'll get back to the screen. I'm going to follow the directions of installation for the sensors. So for example, FL is front left, FR is front right. I'm currently at the rear left position, so I'm going to take this one and install this. The first step would be to get rid of your air caps and then go ahead and install the anti-theft lock nuts. And remember, you don't have to tighten it as much because we will install the sensor and tighten it as much as possible, and then reverse the lock nut backwards to secure this. As soon as you try to screw the sensor inwards, a little bit of pressure might try to come out as you're pressing this in. Just do it as fast as possible so you don't lose much air. And after that, you just have to secure the sensor with the anti-theft lock nut. Similarly, I'm going to install the rest of the 3 external sensors on the other 3 tires. And just like that, I've installed it in all 4 tires. Looks a bit bulky out there, but it's not really noticeable. Like if you can see from the outside, you wouldn't even notice something's right there. Alright, I'm back in the car, so let's see how the external sensors respond to this receiver that we installed a couple of minutes ago. So I'm going to turn on the car and open the app. All of my sensors are now reading live data. So now I can clearly see 2 things. The first thing being the pressure, and the second thing is the tire temperature. And off the bat, I can clearly see that the pressure in my front right is not really good. So I need to definitely get a look at that tire. I can go ahead and also check these sensors' battery voltage. And the good news is that these external sensors are solar powered. So you don't have to worry about recharging them or replacing the batteries. they're going to be recharged every single day. All right, so the final step would be just to tuck it in and hide the TPMS sensor. I'm going to use the double-sided 3M tape supplied in the packaging and simply stick it in with the interior of the car. So this is how you can read live information from your TPMS sensors on your aftermarket or any Android screen and always be informed of which of your tires are not doing well, so you can take preventive action before something goes wrong. So if you learned something new, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.